Hello. What if I ask you to tell a date that falls 5 days before October 2nd or a date that falls 15 days after September 25th? Will you rush to check the calendar for this? To check how many days are there in the previous month or in the current month? Let's make that easy for you with a trick in which you use your hands to calculate it. It's called knuckle trick. But before I proceed, please like, share and subscribe my channel if you think this video is useful to you. For this, we will make a fist. Can you see knuckles of my hand? There are 4 knuckles and 3 grooves in between. I have marked the groove with a pen to make them properly visible. The knuckles are the months with 31 days and the grooves are the months with 30 days. Only the exception is the February month, which have 28 or 29 days. Every leap year has 29 days and that comes exactly after every 4 years. So let's start. See, these are 4 knuckles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 grooves in between. 1, 2, 3. The one I have marked in blue. So we'll start from the first knuckle. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Knuckle stands for 31 days and the groove stands for 30 days except February. So January 31 days, February the grooved one 28 or 29 days, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31. Again we'll repeat it. August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30 and December 31 days. Hope you found this video useful and interesting. So thank you for watching and have a lovely day.